Okay, so I did promise video of the new modules. I won't make this very long because they're pretty much duplicates of the modules I already had. So from left to right, here's the MIDI interface, which I already had, the oscillator, the envelope generator, the amplifier, and I basically added another oscillator, another envelope generator, and another amplifier. I've actually been having some fun patching them, but the patch that I'm going to show you tonight does not involve any of them. So let's go back over to the original modules. This in fact doesn't even involve the MIDI interface. It involves the oscillator, the envelope generator, and the amplifier. Basically what we're doing is we're using the envelope generator as the source to kick this all off. It has a red button on it right here which manually triggers the envelope and puts out a signal that spikes and comes down. We're going to take the output of the envelope generator and run it into the exponential frequency pitch input of the oscillator. Now the oscillator has a jumper on it which allows me to connect its first input and second input so that you can change signals. So after the pitch goes in, that pulse which came from the envelope generator, you'll recall, comes back out and goes into the control input of the amplifier, and then we have the pulse wave coming into the signal inputs of the amplifier, which is the signal that we're putting out. These are just my headphones because I discovered that you could plug the headphones right into the modular. Now the oscillator is currently set for the 16-foot range, and the width of its pulse wave, so the width matters. The width I find is best around 2.5 or 3. Our envelope generator, we have our attack set to 0, our decay also set to 0, our sustain set all the way up, and our release set about 1.5. So you're looking at something that spikes up really fast and then decays over a very short period of time. So what does this do? This is basically a laser machine. So if you wanted laser gun sound effects, this is one way to do it. Now unfortunately I did not use the tripod, as I'm sure you could tell, and since I'm using my headphones, this is going to be interesting. Okay, so let's see if I can get the left headphone over the mic without obscuring anything. Okay, I think you should be able to hear this. So let's zoom in on the gate trigger button and give it a go. So there's your dorky patch for the day. I hope you enjoyed it.